Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to discuss what Google have to say about AI generated content. In today's digital growing world, AI is playing a massive role in creating content for different types of industries. But do you think Google really appreciates the content generated by AI? According to Search Advocate of Google, they say that in 2022 we have declared AI generated content as spam. But now, as we can see, many companies are employing AI to write their content. Hence, if they will provide helpful information, Google would have no problem with this AI generated content. If you want to get full detail about this topic, you can read our blog using the link given in the description box. Thank you.